We're here at ASH 2019. We just finished a very exciting frontline CLL therapy session where a number of exciting abstracts were presented. One of them was our investigator-initiated study of Acalabrutinib, Venetoclax, and Obinutuzumab, a regimen that we're calling AVO, for the frontline treatment of CLL patients. This study enrolled all comers in the frontline setting. We are fully accrued at 37 patients, and we followed these patients for a median of 11 months at this time point. The 3-drug regimen is designed to be hopefully a time-limited regimen of either 15 or 24 months, guided by the depth of MRD. If patients do achieve undetectable MRD and complete remission, they can stop the drugs. If they don't, they continue on the Acalabrutinib and Venetoclax as a long-term therapeutic approach. So we're excited to share the safety data initially, which looks very good. We see some of the expected toxicities from the different individual drugs, but we don't see any new toxicities that we might not expect. And I would say the efficacy data so far look promising, although the follow-up is short. Most of our patients have only made it through cycle 8, which is only 4 cycles of Venetoclax combination therapy. And nonetheless, about half of these patients have already achieved bone marrow undetectable MRD, with about a quarter of patients also achieving IWCLL's complete response. So we're going to continue to obviously treat these patients and follow them closely. We expect the responses will deepen over time. And we're excited that our study has helped to inform the design of a large phase 3 trial looking at AVO versus AV versus chemotherapy, and that larger study is currently accruing as well. So MRD, I think, is helpful to assess depth of response and provides us with an early readout. We know that certainly from the chemoimmunotherapy era, as well as from recent studies with Venetoclax, that MRD can predict survival, both progression-free and overall survival. So I think it's useful from the trial perspective to get an early readout. I think its validity in the community setting remains to be proven, and whether people will use it and use it accurately needs to be developed over time.